Hey guys, Ace here with another video. Today, we are back with Minecraft Pocket Edition. Now, I have a very special treat to show you all. And to demonstrate that, I will go mining today. And why isn't my sound up? Something with my Kindle? Oh yeah, it was my Kindle. Okay, that's a little loud, but better. Better! Alright. I will get to the cave. Okay? I'm going to go down to a cave to mine. Now, to show you what this new app can do, well, it's minimal really, but you know, I'll see you in a flash. Okay, I'm back in the cave. Yes. Yes, I've teleported. Now, I've really finally got myself to get an app, a camera app that has the ability to do the pause option for whenever you want to, you know, make videos cut down with time. That way I can fit more awesomeness into our videos. But I mean, I just really came down here as the experiment. I don't really know what the hell I'm doing. Apparently I've done something. Avoid that. I don't want to fall in there. Especially with my diamond pick. Why did I even bring it? Why did I even bring my diamond pick? Bitch, do I look like I care? No. I know one thing we can get. Redstone. But I know that's there, so fuck. Anything under? Damn it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why you always check. I'm stuck! Oh, thank you, water. Oh, oh, oh. I thought for a minute I was actually stuck down there. Oh, criminy. Ugh. That is why you always check. Jesus. Okay. That looks good. I'm trying not to push myself here. I know what happened the last time, so I'm trying. Yeah, the recording software is excellent. Now, I just need to get better equipment in general. I'm not taking you out, sir. That was damn near hell. For fuck's sake. Okay, I was about to say, I don't trust that. Bitch, do I look like I can? No, okay, that's gonna be in my head now. I was watching a couple of videos this morning just you know, because I was bored. Alright, let's go up this way for some miraculous reason. Ooh, Schmitty. Schmitty Warberman Jensen. Don't want to go down there. But, I can't resist. I have to. I can't resist. It's very dark. Hey! Hey! Who turned out the lights? Alright, for real though. Come on. Come on. Bruh. The thing you always gotta be wary of with that is if there's lava underneath. And I have just fallen into a damn hole. Yep. Good to be back. Real good to be back. Now, you need to be plugged, sir. No. No. Desist. God damn it, I give up. I give up. I didn't see you before. Hello. Hello there, Iron. I'm coming to take you home. Boop. God, it's been so long since I played the role of a mere dwarf. Yes, the dwarven life is coming back to me now. Everything is clear now. The rain is gone. Oh wait, no, I did that wrong, damn it. I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. Da 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 da. Back. I see what they're skilly. Huh, dodge. Ow. Didn't dodge that time. You are going the fuck down. You're not killing me, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you're not killing me. Christ. I am not making wise career choices with this. Instead of staying in one spot like I should. Like now. Because I need my health to regenerate. Ah, foot cramping. Ah, my foot! It's cramping! Anyway. I think it's regenerated enough for us to go down here. Bruh. Go away, spider. Wherever you may be. Alright. I don't want to bore you with me being down in this cave. So, I'm gonna get back to you when I have gone up to the surface. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Sorry, I just wanted to come back on camera just so I can do that. I'm going back to off camera for a minute. Okay guys, I am back upon the surface. God, that took bloody long enough. Here, let me see if I can just... Holy crap, I can. I'm amazing. And I've got 53 iron. Here, let me just... It tastes like shit. I'm sure by now you're pretty much tired of me doing that little cutscene kind of thing. Or I don't really know what to call it. Comment down below what you want to call it. Yeah. Yeah, I need to stop. Yo. Sup? Oh, I forgot what I was gonna do. Remember all the times I've made the little, things? Yeah, well, I can still do that. Do I have all the right materials? That's my question. I can only make 3 right now. Butterfingers. Oh, duh, that's what I went down to go get iron for. Oh my god, I'm getting delusional, I swear to God. Viewers, I'm not in my right mind today, I assure you. I'm also trying not to whisper up to the camera. Okay, I only need 3 more. So I got more than enough iron. That's all for sure. Alright, what do I need to do? Skip. I forget already where I need to be. Go up there, you dumbass. I literally only need 3. Okay, so it's... I need to get this just right. I think I've dug in the wrong spot, but you know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. Oh, bloody hell. This is going to end really well. Yeah, it looks kind of like some art. I'm an artist. Did you guys not notice that? I am an artist. I think I fucked this up. But anyway, that's it. That's it. That's it. Holy shit. Magic. I fucking you're really gonna do this to me now. You're really gonna do this. You know what? Fine. How about everyone just go into holes? Yeah, cause that's totally not making me insane or anything. Just you guys falling into holes for no apparent fucking reason. Yeah, shit. Bastard! That would be nice. Is if you guys could just cooperate with me for 5 fucking minutes. 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. And grab the whole batch. Why aren't you dinglings making babies? Supposed to be making babies. Is this not too good enough area for you? Is that it? Is that it? You guys not impressed with my handiwork? How dare you? I'm going to leave you, sir. You are all retarded. I'm going to leave now. The nerve of them. Can't believe those chickens. I'm gonna have a stern talking to with them. And they're still not out of the fucking holes. You guys are not gonna make this easy, are you? You're not gonna make it easy. And I know you guys can hop up onto those. Fine. I will fucking save the day. Just for you retards. The things I do for morons. Oh wait, duh. Then I can't get them back up. I'm in a bit of a predicament. And thank you, Rain, for showing up when not needed. Your life is turning to shite, isn't it? Fucking sick. Alright. I know what we'll do. Okay. It's gonna drop a chicken, isn't it? Yep. By the way, any chicken... Get the fuck up there. Get the fuck... You get the fuck... I will... Oh my god. You know what? You guys are lost causes. You're all lost causes. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Now get the hell up here. Look, it's as simple as just getting up. Yes, just get up. Oh my fucking god. It's confirmed, everybody. Minecraft chickens are not only spies, but they're retarded. Thank you. This guy gets it. He has the right fucking idea. As of you two, you're gonna be complicated, aren't you? I got lucky with these eggs. You guys are screwed. Okay, one's all I need. No, no, no. I'm sorry, but this has to be. I cannot delay this any further. I placed that wrong, didn't I? There we go. Well, that was a lot of rage. A lot of unneeded rage. Oh my god. Raging over chickens, I tell ya. Don't you give me that look. You evil demons, you. Do you notice what you've just put me through? You hairy sacks of shit. Yeah, I'm gonna call them out. I'm gonna call them out, because they don't know what they just put me through. Christ and a half. That really just rustled my jimmies. Fuck's sake. That was climactic. Climactic, whatever you would say. Holy crap, and there's still enough for a lot. Damn. How much you cooking, son? Apparently a fucking lot. Jesus. Yep, that trumps over. Okay. And I am putting this back before I kill myself with it. By mistake. Oh, Jesus. I need to go hang out in my enchantment room for a bit. Maybe do something. Oh, I never went farming. Like I need to. I forgot about this. Holy crap. This is one hell of a farm, let me tell you. Almost an acre. Jesus Christ. Damn you! And now, we just carefully walk over. It's gonna be fun for another 20 minutes. Oh, I forgot about these nice torches. I gotta go to the nether one day and actually get something nice. Really. All that time I've spent. Really. You guys suck. Not you, junior pilots. You guys don't suck. You're actually awesome. You're all awesome. Holy shit. I'll take the leftover and make that bread. That'll be my food. And the rest can be just to breed the cows. Breed... Well, the animals. Depending if a sheep spawns or not. I don't know. Oh, man. Right there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I've actually got a good number. One cow will just have to be excluded, though. Good, Mike. Coming. Jesus Christ. Whoops. Somebody take the goddamn wheat. There we go. And I think we're uneven, so I think I gotta kill somebody. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shit! They're even. You guys got lucky. You're fucking evened up. Oh wait, there can only be 4. Tee. Get back here. Get back here. You're not fooling anybody. Wait a minute. I'm sorry, sir. You're the outcast. You must die. I feel like I'm so evil. Ah, shit, I gotta end the episode. I gotta end the video. Hey guys, that's gonna end the video there. I will do another episode right after this, so chill. So if you have enjoyed this episode, please hit that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to come support me. Yes, I did it. Also, be sure to comment down below what you think of this series or any other series so far, or any game that you want me to do, or if you just want to pop by and say hello, that's fine too. Also be sure to check out the links in the description below. You'll find the previous episode and other stuff down there as well. So I leave you off with Stay on the Airlines, Junior.